Hi, I'm Kevin,
And I'm Maud.
and our house was built in the mid-50s. Well, my wife will tell you that in her sewing room, it was, she would drop something on the floor and it would roll away from her.
It was leaning precariously.
Yeah. And we noticed that there were doors that were closing on their own when they should stay open, and doors to the back, to our back patio that wouldn't lock, cracks in above doorways and windows. So there were things that were really noticeable about the foundation being not in its right state.
Well, and also we were definitely walking uphill when we would go from one room to the next up the hallway. I felt really comfortable with Bailey. He seemed to know exactly what he was talking about. He invited us out to do 2 different work sites so that we could see the process and even meet some of the crew that were out there working. We looked at a house and an apartment building that they were stabilizing. And I don't know, I just felt really comfortable with what their plan was to fix the house, the number of piers they had recommended, and the whole process. I don't know, I was very confident in the company. When they said they were coming out, they told us exactly what time, and they were there. Very punctual, they gave us all the information we needed, and they followed through with everything that they said. So I appreciated that.
Our foreman was Juan, and when he first came out, he came and walked around and showed us what he was going to do, and actually, where the piers were going to go. He had the plan, and then he had his guys started on the work. If we had a question, he would answer it, and if he was doing something, he would call us over and show us what was going on with the project.
Well, and his time frame was really good. He would tell us, like, okay, on Friday we're going to start lifting the house, and I need both of you there. And he was insistent on us both being there, which I think was an excellent idea, because if any decision needed to be made at that time, it was nice for both of us to be there. So we were able to schedule time off work for that particular day. The crew worked together really well with the lifting, and it was not rushed by any means. They would lift an inch, and then we'd all go in the house and look around, and he really let us make that final decision. Do you want to go up another inch? Do you want to go up another inch? What exactly do you want? And so I appreciated that with him too, letting us know what to expect if we kept going, what was an okay, level and things like that. So he really asked us for our input, which I thought was really important too.
We also had to have poly-level put in the house too, and Mario and Gabe had come out and done that, and were very, punctual again, and did what needed to be done, and were very diligent about the work.
It's like every time we'd walk in the house, it'd be exciting. Oh my gosh, this door latch is shut, or oh my gosh, look, the door fits in the frame now. And so,
one of the biggest things was the pantry door. In about probably the last year, when you'd open it and get past a certain point, it would go and finish opening and slam against the wall. So that was very annoying, and anyway, that was one of the first things that was noticed, and when my wife went to the pantry just to check it out and the door didn't swing open on its own anymore, it was like, hallelujah, this is great. I would give Baird Foundation Repair an A+ on what they did. They were very professional, they were timely, they took care of the needs, they answered questions, just top notch all the way around with the experience that we had. It is a lot of money that we're putting out for something like that, and you know, they came through, and I think we're both very satisfied with the results that we got.